All right, so we're doing question number 27 and 28. 27, 28, refer to the following information. Okay, what's the question? Assume that the sort is called with the array this. What will the value of data be after 3 passes of the outer loop? Okay, so we have to see that we can dig in and find the value, or we can abstract. I'm going to try to abstract what's going on in here, right? So for j equal to 0, it's going through length minus 1 less value. So I have a whole array. It's going to values from 6 to this. These values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it's going this far out. My k starts with this. K equals j plus 1. Now, as m is greater, so value m is fixed. M is my j value. So m of 0, k takes all the values, right? Whenever the value before it is value at m is greater, it goes in. So m end of it gets the index of the smallest value. So by the time I'm done with this for loop, my m will be 5. That's the index of that. When m is 5, so m is 5, so data of 5 equals temp. So temp will become 1. Data of j is my 0, is equal to data of 5. So value at 5 will be 6 now. And value at j's 0 is equal to temp, and that's going to be 1 now. So what happened here? Went through the whole array, found the minimum value, and swapped it with the first value. Next iteration of the loop, you will start with 3, go through the loop, find the minimum value, that is 2. You swap these two values. So now this will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, and 6. That's second. That's for j equals to 1. For j equal to 2, you start from 2, go all the way down. Well, but that value, index 2. So these are the values you're going for. You're looking for the smallest value. 3 happens to be the smallest value, and that's it. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6. 5, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. So 27 is B. That's one way. When I'm using abstraction, I understood the method was a selection sort. So I knew the answer much before even when I explained this thing, right? Another way to do a question like this would be, if you're stuck on that, you have no clue what to do, you can go and dig through the values. 6 through 2, 5, 4, 1. Your indexes here are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You go in there with the data. Your j takes a certain value, so j is equal to 0. You'll draw the table. J equal to 0, data length minus 1. Length is length here is 6. There are 6 values minus 1, so 5. J less than 5, so j will take 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and your hope will be that you don't have to go through too many of these iterations before you can tell. Your m takes the same value as j, so m equals 0. K starts at 1, and k will go through all the values up till 5. So k will go up till 5. So we'll see how that works out. So going inside my inner loop, if data at k, data at 1, data at 1 is 3, data at m is 6, 6 bigger than 3. You set m is equal to k. So now your m will be 1. Now k will get plus plus, k will become 2. For k equal to 2, data at 2 is 2. So data at 2 is 2, greater than the data at 1, 3. Is 3 bigger than 2? And 3 is. Now m is equal to k, so m becomes 2. K becomes 3. Data at 3 is 5. and data at 2 is 2. So 2 greater than 5 is not true. K will become a 4. When K becomes 4, the data here is 4, and data at M is still 2. 2 greater than 4 is not true. Your K will become 5. As we said, K will take values up till 5. When K becomes 5, data at 5 is 1. 2 is greater than 1. You'll go in there. M will become equal to K, so M will become equal to 5. Then you come out, data at 5 equals temp. So my temp, end of all this thing, temp will be data at 5, that is 1. Data at M equals data at J. So M being 5, data at 5 is equal to data at 0. So you swap this will change the actual array. This value will become 6. And the last statement, data at 0 equals temp, we'll put a 1 there. So you will have to have abstraction enough to know what's going on by the time you do that. So it went through the whole thing, found the index of the smallest value, swapped it. Next iteration, loop is going to go here, find the minimum value, that is 2, and swap with the value at index 1. So this is going to be a 2, that's going to be a 3. Next iteration, going from here, so smallest value is 3, so no swaps happening. So it is 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. That's the answer.